Hey guys, welcome back to Animbia Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm decorating my island. You guys, it's been like a massive struggle, and also I'm going to be doing a little haul of what I got from Homegoods, and of course I will be linking those things below, so don't come for me. Well, no, seriously. But before we get into it, if you've been looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your home decor and lifestyle, then this is the channel for you. So just make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, that way you know when I upload new videos. And with that being said, let's get into the intro. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing with the island. So with the islands, you guys know that I used to have this little thing here. Let me show you guys what I used to have. So I want to quickly show you guys what I used to have here in the kitchen, and I'm sure you guys have seen me use this before, but I wanted something different, something new, and let me show you guys what I had before. So this is how it looks on the island. It's pretty simple and just not bad. It's simple. And another thing that I wanted to do, you guys, was to like spray paint this stuff black, because okay, so if you didn't know already, my theme is really black and white and with a little bit of tan, and I wanted to like spray paint it black, but I was like, yeah, I don't know, because I still like how simple this looks, so every once in a while I would like to change it out. So this is what I have so far, like right here. And I love it, but that's not why you came here. I have something new for you guys, so let me show you guys what else I am doing with my islands, okay? Okay, so I got this, let me come closer so you guys can see me. I got this tray from Homegoods, and I love this tray. I love how black it is. I feel like it's gonna make a great contrast with the island that's like white, and then this, and obviously my light here. I feel like it would just tie everything really good. And so I decided to get this. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I did wish that it was a little bit bigger because it's quite small for this island. But this will do for now. So I'm gonna put this over here. Let me give you guys a closer look of how it looks. Really rustic. Very rustic look, and it's really nice. I like it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use is, I also got this from Homegoods, but I will link something like this, and I also saw this at the thrift store. It was just that at the thrift store I saw it for like $19, and I saw this at $16 at Homegoods. So I can also link something else from another website if you want something like this. So I love that. I'm going to take this out. Actually, I need the scissors. I'm not going to return this because I actually love this stuff. My husband says it looks like a trophy. But it's so cute, and I love how antique it looks, antique with a little bit of modern to it. I don't know. I feel like the color makes it look more modern. So I'm going to put that over here. And I also got 3 things. You guys remember how I told you guys to always basically group your items in odd numbers, like 3s, 5s, 7. Well, I'm going to do 3 because this table is, so I'm going to be doing 3 because this tray is quite small. So I also got all of this from Homegoods, and this was $19, $20. And I like it. I like that it's really simple, but it makes a good statement. Let me turn it around so you guys can really see it. And then I also got this candle holder. Honestly, I could have made my own candle holder, like something clear, get it from the Dollar Tree, but I decided to get this one because I really didn't want to stress out, and that was this. So I got this 3, and right here, and I also want to say that the reason why you don't see me using anything black in here besides the tray is because I wanted the tray to stand out on its own, because once you put an item that is black, it just the tray loses its I don't know, it's wow factor. So I wanted to make sure that everything else was like not the color of the tray. No blacks, just maybe I could have used another color, but I like using this gold and very clear and white thing going on. So let me show you guys how it really looks. So here it is. Isn't this beautiful? It looks really nice. I really like it. And something very simple. You can add flowers in the vase if you choose to. In my case, I will not be adding a flower to it. I just like it this way. It's pretty simple and I love it. But you guys already know me, I'm extra. If you've been following me, you remember that I got this one yellow vase. It was really big, yellow vase for like $49.99, and I saw it again at Homegoods the other day and I picked it up because I also wanted something for my dining table. Let me show you guys. So if you remember, I moved this from this was sitting at the dining table. This was sitting at the dining table and I moved it over here. And now I found another one. So that, you guys, that is the yellow and I'm going to be painting it. So I did a little clip of how I painted it. So here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna basically, what I'm doing is taping this part because I want this part to be peeping through. I'm going to show you guys the finished look, you guys, because I want to show you guys the idea of what I'm doing. So basically, I love this texture and I don't want to like basically take it off again and having to like wrap it back up. So I know the yellow is going to be peeping through a little bit, but it's not really going to be showing that much. So I'm okay with that. Okay, so we're done with this. We're gonna just go ahead and start painting it. I'm using a black paint, by the way. Okay, you guys, I'm going to grab that vase from outside because it's still sitting outside. Okay. All right, let me put it over here. We're going to move this away. Move it away. All right, guys, so we have this beautiful, I painted it black as you saw earlier, and I'm gonna have to remove this. This is gonna be really hard to remove. Okay, let me show you guys how it looks on the island. Let me move the other stuff. Okay, so let's move these items out. We're gonna move this. Oh, please don't break. This vase over here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. This looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I love the whole black coming. Oh, I don't know. This is gorgeous. I don't know. Okay, you know what? It looks good. You guys, I'm honestly feeling this black, honestly. Let me show you guys even a full picture with the kitchen island, the light fixtures, and see how it looks. Do y'all see this? Oh, I love it. But you know what? I still feel like it's a little, it's nice, but let me see how it would look with, honestly, this stuff looks good. I like it. But let me see how it would look with flowers in it. So let's see. Okay, so let's see how it goes with the, let's see if it goes with the flower, if the flower will look good. This is actually really nice. Wow. Wow. I'm literally struggling. Yo, I'm not mad at this. I'm not, am I just tripping? I'm not mad at this at all. Oh, wow. You guys, I'm not mad at this at all. Why am I so excited? You guys, this looks really nice. Let me show you. Oh, wow. I actually like it. Oh, wow, I love it. Do you guys? Oh, wow, this is gorgeous. Do you guys see how like home decoration honestly makes me so happy? I am so crazy, but I love it. Okay, you guys, what do you guys think? Which one? Let me see. You guys, comment down below which one you guys are feeling for real though. Like this last one is my favorite. Y'all show me which one you're feeling. I am feeling this last one. So let me know if you like the last one, the first one, the second one, or the third one. I'll show you pictures so you're able to choose. Comment down below which one you're really feeling, which one really goes well with my kitchen. I honestly feel like the last one is the one I like, but let me know what you think. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I feel so excited. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel very excited, but I'm really thankful that you guys found my video and you clicked through it and you watched through it. And you guys, that's what I have for today. I'll see you guys next week for another video. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe. See you next week. God loves you. Bye.